First got this house, this entire room was this very muddy, mustard, dirty yellow. I hated it. So to start the attempt to brighten up this kitchen, I got eggshell yellow. It just looks nice in the kitchen. And the thing I didn't realize when I was painting the kitchen is that the kitchen color is almost identical to the dining room. I went out, bought some orange paint. This will be perfect. This will be great. We're gonna paint it orange. I just did it. I don't have anything against orange, but like, it's a lot. I just keep looking at this wall and I'm like, oh, I gotta change it. I really gotta change it. And on a whim, again, I started tearing up tape and just slapping it on there. So my plan here, is I'm ripping up painter's tape into smaller, skinnier strips, and I'm not being careful about it. I'm not trying to make it even in any sort of way. I just want it to have this very organic, torn look. And then I'll make a crosshatch pattern and potentially add some more to it. I don't know, I'm just having fun with it right now, and I'm gonna see where it goes. So, enjoy.
Done?
Done.
Look at that.
So, as you can see, I kind of finished, and I definitely like it better than it was. It's not like a glaring orange anymore. It's this fun marbled pattern, but I still don't love it. So I'm in the process of trying to figure out if I want to add little tiny diamonds. I'll show you here. So I may go in between and on all the little corners where they meet, put in little white diamonds. And I've just been doing like really weird, horrible tests on the bottom here that'll be covered by baseboards. Just because I think that that's going to break up the orange a little bit more, because somehow this orange is still like haunting me. So I'm gonna sit on it for a minute, and before I really dive into like hand painted diamonds, you know, this was kind of a big project, and I do really like the sponging technique, and pulling the tape off was really satisfying. I think it's just my initial plan of the orange is what's really bothering me. So we'll see. We'll see where I go with it.
great.
It's done. I think I like it.